Hi, today I am going to share with you 9 free crochet pattern gift ideas. It's the 20th of December. There's only 5 days left until Christmas. I myself need to crochet a couple other things. So I was surfing the internet and I found 9 free patterns and wanted to share them with you. Hi, I'm Darlene and this is Heartfelt Crochets, and on this channel is where I research, I study, I share, and I teach all things crochet. So if you have found this video to be helpful, will you please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Okay, so the first, it's the first 2, because they kind of really go together. The first 2 ideas is the Faux Fur Mittens and the Faux Fur headband. And these are put out by allaboutamy.com. I love these. Look how soft and cozy these look. They just look so warm and so cuddly. Who wouldn't want to have these? What a gift this would make. The third is this golden fave twist headband. This looks really easy to make. And I love the way that it has that little bit of a twist. And then it just slips right on over the ears to keep your ears nice and warm on a cold, blistery day. And this free pattern you can find on mamainastitch.com. Now I'm going to be putting all of these links in the description box below, so don't worry. You'll be able to go ahead and find them so you can crochet them before Christmas. Now this fourth one, if you know someone that loves their wine, this is a poinsettia wine cozy. You just slip the wine bottle right in there and hand it off as a present with this beautiful little poinsettia flower on it. And what a Christmas gift. I mean, you don't have to wrap it. It's already in its wrapping. You know, a bottle of wine in this awesome wine cozy. I just love it. Maybe I'll do that for my daughter. That free pattern you can find on crochet365knit2.com. And number 5 on the list is this basket weave cup cozy. Anything that has that weave pattern, I really like it. It kind of has that country feel. And I've shown cup cozies before, but I really like this one. This one has a little button closure and it just fits really nice around styrofoam cups. So if you know someone that goes out to Starbucks or Dunkin' Donuts or, you know, just the local convenience store for their coffee, this would fit their cup perfectly. Cute little gift. And this free pattern you can find on onedogwoof.com. Hi. I'd like to take a moment and interrupt this video just to let you know that you can become a member of my channel for only $4.99 a month, recurring payments, and you can cancel at any time. It's a great way to show that you are enjoying the content of my channel, and I super appreciate your support. Or you can just choose to buy me a coffee. Both the membership link and the buy me a coffee link is in the description box below, and I thank you so much ahead of time. Now let's get back to the video. The 6th idea is the snowflake coasters. Now, these coasters are just perfect for the whole winter season. If there's snow out there on the ground, these coasters will go perfectly, and they're a quick and easy workup. You can make them in different colors, white, silver, blue, and they would just make the perfect decoration for any home in the wintertime. And this free pattern you can find on thecaffeinedadsnail.com. The 7th idea and the 8th idea, they kind of go together just like 1 and 2, is the Boho Placemat and the Boho Coasters. I saw these and I'm like, oh my goodness, I have got to make these for myself. I just love the fringe that is around these things, and it looks like it's an extremely easy pattern, takes no time at all, and would make a wonderful gift. Whomever you're giving it to as a gift, their favorite color or their theme color of their home, it would make a wonderful gift, Christmas or otherwise. And you can find these patterns on forthefrills.com. And last but not least, the 9th idea, if all else fails and you just don't know what to give that person that has everything, here are 4 adorable choices for gift cards for Christmas time. This red one has a little snowflake. Then you have the green one with the spiral mint candy, the little white one with a present on the front, or the black one with mistletoe. They're all really beautiful. I love them. I think I might do the same because I'm giving out gift cards and lottery tickets to a few people. So it would go perfect in these free patterns on Hirschners.com. So that was the 9 Christmas gift ideas. Comment below and let me know if you decided to make any one of them or more. And until next time, bye.